Hello guys, today I have another Ford Edge 2019 model. The problem of the car is the AC is not working. We have checked the gas and everything, but the AC is not working. So let us diagnose the car first. What are the problems? So here I have I'm using IDS. Okay. So we'll go to self-test and all DTCs. It's taking a bit of time. So we're doing your DTCs. I'll pause the video for a time. So all the systems are passed. This is a code in the PCM. One is active shutter, and the other one is variable AC compressor control circuit. So this is the code. We are going to check the wiring for the compressor. Maybe the wire is damaged or cut or something. So first of all, we will check the fuses. If the fuses are okay, so then we will jump to the wires. If the wires are okay, so sometime the compressor are damaged or sometime the problem is with the engine computer. So before doing anything, changing or something, we will first check the wiring. If the wiring is good or not, and also we'll check the fuses. So this is the fuse box. We have checked the fuses. All of the fuses are okay. Actually, on both of the side of the fuse box there are fuses. So we have found the problem. The problem is with these wires. These 6 wires were cut and chopped. So we have fixed them, and now we have checked. So everything is working, and the AC is working properly. And now there's no checking the light and nothing, and the AC compressor works fine. This is the circuit of the compressor. We have taken the continuity because one wire is from the fuse box, so that wire was cut off, as you can see here. So we have connected and we have repaired the wiring. These wires were cut. We have repaired them, and now the AC works fine. Subscribe for more videos. So everything is fixed. There's no check engine light, no other light, and the AC is working perfectly. It's cooling. So the problem was with those wires.